Okay, got a mystery object. This thing's running. I'm going to put this spool of wire on here. Oh! Okay, wait, just go ahead. Keep it running. This is part of the video. This is action. Oh my gosh. Let's start a new run though. Okay. It's not perfectly centered. Oh my gosh, this thing's light. Let's try one more. That's pretty good. Okay, we'll call that one good. We'll get rid of these other bad ones. Man, this is the most excitement I've had all minute. Okay, so let's get the data here. So in this case, probably right there is just before. 3.7 seconds, I'm at 1280 degrees per second. Probably right about there. So at 4.05 seconds, I'm at what, 960? Again, this is time in seconds, angular velocity in degrees per second.